Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your XM trading account to MetaTrader 5. Just follow these steps so you can set up your MT5 platform quickly and start trading right away. First, open your browser and go to the XM trading website. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home page, tap on Real or Demo, depending on what appears at the top with your balance. Next, tap the plus icon, then select Demo Account. For this tutorial, we'll use a demo account. Choose MT5, then tap Continue. Now, select Ultra Low Standard, then tap Continue again. After that, choose your leverage, base currency, and investment amount. You can also change the account name if you want. Once everything looks good, tap Continue. Enter your trading account password, then tap Complete. Your demo account will now be successfully created. Next, tap on Demo at the top and make sure to select the account you just created. Tap Manage, choose Account Information, and copy the server name. Now go to your MetaTrader 5 app. Tap File, then select Open an Account. Paste the server you copied from XM Trading. Once the matching server appears highlighted in blue, tap Next. Choose Connect with an existing trade account, then enter your login ID and password. Tap Finish, and your XM account will now be connected to MT5. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily link your XM trading account to MetaTrader 5 anytime.